guys, it's Talia and Theodore, and welcome back to another video, right Theo? Today's video, we decided to share what we got for a BARKBOX for January 2020. We did receive our BARKBOX pretty late, so we are so excited to show you guys what we got for a BARKBOX. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia, and this is Theodore, and welcome to our channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit that red button. We're going to unbox our BARKBOX. Looks like, I think it's super cute. Got the snow and the whole winter season going. And this is like the theme for the BARKBOX. It's a little snowman. Custom treats designed to fit your toy. So there's treats that mainly are going to be put in your toy. Kind of like the theme, like snow. And it says, what's your dog's favorite part of the winter? Easy, it's a snow day. Are the toys that you might get on the BARKBOX? So the first treat that he got is Snowman Peeper. So this is chicken recipe dog treats with carrots and charcoal. So I think these will be pretty great for Theodore because he loves chicken, and then two, it comes with carrots. So chicken and carrots is a great combination. A demonstration here that a picture of a little snowman that it says treats go in here. So basically these treats are mainly like for the toys to put in, and your dog kind of plays with it. But the next toy that he received is this toy. It's going together, your toy. You gotta put all the pressure. It is this Snowman Nose Nibbles, and this is lamp recipe dog treats with cranberries, carrots, a little mix of everything. See a little like a demonstration of the toy, and it looks like it goes in right in the nose. So it goes in here. It's free, soy free, corn free, and grain free. Yummy, Theo. You want to smell it? Okay, he likes it. You like your treats, Theo? They're very, very good. He loves his treats, and these are the lamp recipe dog treats. So that's a win-win treats. This little toy right here, this is the toy that he received, so I'm super happy to attach this. So this is a toy. Look, Theo. A toy. Excuse the little dirty marks, but dealer decided to play with the toy a little bit early. So the next thing that he received is this Plato pet treats. So this is like a dog treat. This is actually great because it's not too hard. That he received is this duck stick. So this is a hard and chewy stick. Like donate this to like Petco donations, or pretty much it that he received in his little BARKBOX. Okay, I think that's how it is. There's the eyes. There's the eyes, the nose. I think it's so cute. It's pretty cool to add the treats in here so they can play, be entertained with the toy. So I really like this. The chicken treats and his lamb treats. And he actually received 4 treats. Toy, but technically it came in 2 just separately. So that is pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.